Greetings. We're in Goshen, Indiana. This farm has upwards of 50 horses. That means pretty much continuous chores for at least all the daylight hours. A lot of horses. They have a pen out behind this barn and has probably 25 horses maybe? I don't know. There's a lot of horses back there. This one's a beef horse. Old 475. Boy, that's a brisket you got on you, boy. Huh. Another field of horses. Wow. What she does is she races a certain size of horse. But most of these aren't that size horse, so I don't know what's going on here. The fence is off. Yeah, I got up at 3 o'clock to get out here. It's now about 11. We're going to go to lunch and then I'll be cut free, I think. But I gotta wait around to take them to lunch. I've been to this farm a couple times before. Not only do they have the 50 or so horses, they also have all kinds of other critters here. All right, I'm just checking in with you. God bless.